guys, what's going on? It's officially winter and freezing outside. You guys can see me, but it's cold. So, been procrastinating on doing something so easy. I don't know, I've just been lazy. But today I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do the Thermostat. Why is my car clean? Did I clean my car? I don't remember cleaning my car. Whatever. But maybe the rain cleaned it. Oh, yeah, I've been lazy to do it, but today, definitely gonna do it today. I'm gonna be doing the thermostat on my Civic, cause it is. You guys can see. Oh, you can't see, but it's cold out. So I'm just gonna do a quick thermostat swap on this, and then go back inside and call it a day. Oh, and then later I'm gonna go get some food for me and my wife. So I just wanna go do this, call it a night with. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, I have 2 things of antifreeze. It's like the OEM blue one, but blue. Leave that alone. But yeah, might have to go pick up some more. Hopefully I don't. But we shall see when I take out this thermostat. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to get some more because this one has like, yeah, definitely have to get some more. It's like about 3 quarts antifreeze. But yeah, here she is. I'm using my friend's lens, so it's actually working a lot better. I gotta give it back to him, but I just wanted to make sure that it was my lens, not my camera. I told you guys before, the shit used to just like zoom in and then zoom out. Now, like in the dark, see, it doesn't like. You can still see me. Oh my god, it's stuck. You guys know what I'm talking about. Holy shit! Alright, got it. But yeah, guys, got the thermostat in here. Here it is. I got 2 thermostats. Shit, either one is gonna work, so don't matter. But let's get it, cause it is freezing. I'm gonna finish this, go inside, play some Call of Duty Warzone, crack some ass, call it a day. Man, can't wait for this thing to get overhauled. This is how I take it out. Get the extension, 10 with a little swivel. I already bust this one loose a little bit, as you can see. Can't see too good. Hold on. Yeah, right. You guys see that bolt down there? Yeah, that one. Already cracked that one loose right there. I just gotta do the other one. Probably gonna be a quick vlog. It is freezing out here. I'm not made for this. I'm not made for this no more. I'm not made for this weather no more. Damn, every time I'm like against the light, look. Alright, let's continue going. Just like that. Just like that, we got the first one out already. Took this one out. Damn, kind of stripped. Alright, now I gotta get the second one, and we're good. Dang, it's gonna be like a 2-minute vlog. I mean, until I drive the car later on and get some food. But yeah, I just gotta get this last bolt. Back there. That one right there. Yeah, so I ran into an issue. Not even an issue. Fucking something stupid just happened. I went to take out the bolt for the thermostat and it fell. Not even, it moved, and yeah, I don't know where it's at right now. So yeah, I don't know where the fuck that bolt is at. Alright, so I fixed it. Blow! Ew! Drop that! Hey! Move, leave that shit alone. Fucking nasty ass. Ew! Stop. Fucking dog, bro. Eating a fucking... I don't even know what she was eating. It's like a pigeon's feather. Guys, here's my block. Yeah, it's dirty, it's filthy. But all this, once it gets power washed and everything, it's gonna come off, and then the cylinders coming off, getting bored over. All of this. Oh no. Oh, it's time to record on the good old iPhone. My battery died on my camera. But yeah, this is my block. Cleaned it up a long time ago. Like this, around the cylinders gotta get cleaned, but that's all gonna get sent to CSS. They're all gonna do that. Like, looks like a regular block. You know, I haven't taken off any of this because I don't wanna get any corrosion or any dirt or any of anything like that inside there. So yeah, there she is. She's dirty, but it doesn't matter because, again, all pistons coming out. Everything's gonna be literally a complete bare block. The crank is coming off. Everything's gonna come off. Then I'm gonna send the bare, and they're gonna clean the outside. They're gonna gel wash the inside over. They're gonna 0.5 millimeter over on the cylinders. And yeah, she's gonna come out literally perfectly clean and brand new. Yeah, so what I just ended up doing was, I forgot what bolts go here. Whatever, that wasn't there. But I just basically just took off a bolt from the water pump. Basically, what I did. It was a little bit longer than the thermostat housing over there. But in the back of the thermostat housing, it's like this. It has a hole, so the bolt could just come through. So I used that one. It's fine. I just go to full throttle, get one bolt for my new block, and I'll be good. Yes, I know, guys. You guys are probably asking me, when is the motor gonna get sent out? Should be getting sent out. I'm just gonna say next month. Let's put it like that. Next month it should be getting sent out. I want them to do I want them to do everything to it. I want CSS to do everything. I want them to do the cylinder support system on it. I want them to jet wash the whole thing because when they do the CNC and they deck it and everything, shavings, cause like extra shavings will stay like in the motor and stuff. So I want to do the jet wash, clean the inside, clean the outside, do the 0.5 mil over on the bore, do 81.5. So the whole 9 yards are gonna get done on that block. It's gonna come out looking brand new. Head is already done. So yeah, should be next month. But I just finished this, and now I just gotta top it off with antifreeze. And I'm pretty sure, well, I'm kind of confident that I'm gonna have to go buy more antifreeze. Yeah, you can tell it's cold. Look at my nose. Filled up already. Just gotta let it warm up now, and then just see where. Well, I gotta let it warm up and let the thermostat open up. And then once the thermostat open up, it'll suck all the antifreeze in, and then from there I just gotta bleed it. I have the bleeder over there also, so yeah. All right, so just finished doing mine. Just walked my dog. Julio was supposed to be here earlier, but he didn't show. But now he's here, so we're gonna do his. I'm gonna bleed his also. Let's put cap on mine. Alright, mine's good to go. Alright, mine's good to go. Now we're gonna do Julio's. This is the antifreeze that I used to use before for my dad's job. So it's regular antifreeze. I just started using the blue stuff because it's like close to the OEM one. And it looks nice. Look, but Julio don't give a fuck. So I got this on my CRV also. I used to use it all the time on this. Now we're about to do Julio's car. Are you ready? It's winter time. Winter time is here. Here. Oh man. I gotta block off my iPhone. My camera died. Yo. See how much colder? Oh, I see the holes. You just got them? Huh? The cooler line? Oh, you had them last time when you was here. The K2 ones. Yeah? Oh, I didn't even notice. Oh man, it is cold now. My man Hula came with like what? Came with like 3 sweaters, 2 long johns. My head with just jeans, a shirt, and a sweater. But one good thing about K, look at everything is right there. Dropping the motor is easy. Look at this. Everything is right there. You brought your tools with you? Your tools? What tools? Your toolbox.
What?
What you about to do? How you get? Oh wait, but you're not putting a thermostat in. I forgot. Forgot who didn't run thermostats. He just leaves the shit just like that. Him go fuck.
Wow, this is hard.
What are you trying to do? Take the hose off? Oh, the bottom. For the bottom, I have pliers over here. Who was crazy? Huh? Who don't give a fuck? I don't know how you do it with no thermostat. Oh, but it doesn't even matter. You got no heat in the car anyway. So no thermostat or thermostat doesn't make a difference. Want to be fast, guys? Take out the heater cord for what? For what? Boy, always ready. Sky don't ain't gonna bleed it. Well, you can just let it run for a little bit.
I don't believe like that. It has to be.
Well, you got a K motor, yeah. Well, mine's you can just leave it that way. I know with the K's you gotta keep it up because of the motor. The motor sits higher than the.
Yeah, you gotta try to get the highest point.
My shit. I just started.
For
real? Yeah. Can't see. Look at no pink shit. What the fuck?
It's right there.
It's a little bit of pink, nigga. Fuck yeah.
And I still got it on my wheel.
Right, just you're gonna remember that day for a long time. And nice shower water right there. No way. Nah, that's not. That's when the bubbles can be so hot. It looked like she's peeing.
It's peeing the day I got it too.
Oh yeah, through that line, right?
And he had a drink water bottle.
Or just make one. You don't want to crank it to let all of it come out?
Come straight up. Because I have no thermostat in my
I mean, even if you have a little bit, it don't matter. As long as it's mixed, as long as it's with that shit right there.
Every team down.
Look, I got this one right here. A little small, but this I use for mine.
What happened to your big thing, the yellow shit?
Oh, I brought that inside.
Go get it, motherfucker. Stop playing.
You said you wasn't gonna bleed it though.
It's easier.
This fucking guy. It's like marijuana in this bitch. I know, guys, forgot to close up the video, but literally on my way home right now from work, so I just wanted to close up the video. So you guys again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. This is a chill day, doing coolant. And yeah, we got some really bad news. Yeah, we got some really bad news about one of the cars. So you'll see next video. Stay tuned for the next vlog. Yeah, sad, but I mean, we're gonna figure something out. Built to enjoy, guys. Peace out.